For those running Lenovo ThinkSystem SR250, ST250, or ST50 servers, memory upgrades can significantly boost performance. Today, we're looking at the ATEC 32GB kit, a DDR4 2666 MHz ECUDIM option designed specifically for these systems. This kit includes two 16GB modules operating at the PC4-21300 standard. What sets this memory apart is its ECC, or Error Correcting Code, functionality. This is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects internal data corruption, preventing crashes and ensuring smooth operation, especially under heavy workloads. The ATEC kit is unbuffered, meaning it doesn't have a register between the memory controller and the draw modules. This can result in slightly faster data access compared to registered memory, making it a good choice for applications where latency is a concern. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a voltage of 1.2 V, which helps to keep power consumption and heat generation in check. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process that most users can handle at home. Of course, it's always recommended to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on memory installation and channel configuration. The key benefit of upgrading your server's memory is improved performance. With 32 GB of RAM, your system can handle more virtual machines, larger datasets, and more demanding applications without slowing down. This translates to a smoother, more responsive experience for users and increased efficiency for your business. ATEC backs its memory modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also offer tech support, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. In summary, the ATEC 32GB kit is a solid memory upgrade option for Lenovo ThinkSystem SR250, ST250, and ST50 servers. Its ECC functionality, ease of installation, and lifetime warranty make it a worthwhile investment for businesses looking to improve the performance and reliability of their systems.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.